Let us learn the divisibility test. You can apply these rules too while dividing the numbers. Divisibility test, divisibility by 2. If the number is even, that is it ends in 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0, we say that the given number is divisible by 2. For example, 26 ends in 6. Thus, it is divisible by 2. Divisibility by 3. If the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 3, we say that the given number is divisible by 3. For example, look at the number 384. When we add all the digits, that is 3 plus 8 plus 4, we get the sum as 15. We know that 15 is divisible by 3. Thus, we conclude that 384 is divisible by 3. Divisibility by 4. If the number formed by the last two digits of the given number is divisible by 4, we say that the given number is divisible by 4. For example, 164. Its last two digits form the number 64, which is divisible by 4. Thus, the whole number 164 is divisible by 4. Divisibility by 5. If the number ends in 5 or 0, we say that the given number is divisible by 5. For example, 525 ends in 5. Thus, it is divisible by 5. Look at this another example, that is 330 ends in 0. Hence, it is divisible by 5. Divisibility by 6. If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, we say that the given number is divisible by 6. Look at this example, 408. Is it divisible by 2? The number 408 ends in 8, thus it is divisible by 2. Is it divisible by 3? 4 plus 0 plus 8 is equal to 12, which is divisible by 3. Which means 408 is divisible by 3 as well. Hence, 408 is divisible by 6. Divisibility by 7. Take the last digit of the number, double and subtract it from the rest of the digit. If the difference is divisible by 7, then the number is divisible by 7. For example, 672. Firstly, double the last digit 2, that is 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Now subtract from 67. So we get 63. Here the number 63 is divisible by 7. Thus we say that 672 is divisible by 7. Kids, repeat the process for larger numbers. Example, 3,934. Double the last digit. Subtract it from the remaining digits. Twenty-eight is divisible by 7, hence 3,934 is divisible by 7. Divisibility by 8. If the number formed by the last 3 digits of the given number is divisible by 8, we say that the given number is divisible by 8. For example, 53,888. Its last 3 digits form the number 888, which is divisible by 8. Thus, 53,888 is divisible by 8. Divisibility by 9. If the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 9, we say that the given number is divisible by 9. For example, 7,29,639. Here on adding the digits, 7 plus 2 plus 9, 6, 3 plus 9, we get the sum as 36, which is divisible by 9. Thus, 7,29,639 is also divisible by 9. Divisibility by 10. If the number ends in a 0, we say that the given number is divisible by 10. For example, 8,620 ends in 0, thus it is divisible by 10. Then divisibility by 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of the alternate digits is 0 or a multiple of 11. For example, 3,729. Here by adding the alternate digits 7 and 9, we get sum as 16, and 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Now, difference between the two sum, that is 16 minus 5, is equal to 11. Therefore, the number 3,729 is divisible by 11. For example, take the difference of the sum of the alternate digits. First 4 plus 7, that is equal to 11. Then 5 plus 6, that is equal to 11. Difference between 11 and 11, 11 minus 11, 0. So, 4,576 is divisible by 11. Divisibility by 12. A number is divisible by 12 if it is divisible by both 3 and 4. For example, 4,79,628. Here, by adding the digits 4 plus 7 plus 9 plus 6 plus 2 plus 8, we get the sum as 36. 36 is divisible by 3. Thus, we say 4,79,628 is divisible by 3. And the last two digits form the number 28, which is divisible by 4. Thus, we say 4,79,628 is divisible by 4 also. Therefore, 4,79,628 is divisible by 12. And at last, divisibility by 15. A number is divisible by 15 if it is divisible by both 3 and 5. For example, 5,60,955. Here, by adding the digits 5 plus 6 plus 0 plus 9 plus 5 plus 5, we get sum as 30. 30 is divisible by 3. Therefore, we say 5,60,955 is divisible by 3. Also, the number ends in 5. Thus, 5,60,955 is even divisible by 5. Hence, 5,60,955 is divisible by 15.